Hello and welcome to the JISH Learn English Podcast. I am Shaylin. What do you like doing in your free time? Do you have any interesting hobbies? Talking about your free time is a great way to start a conversation in English. It helps you find things in common when you are speaking to somebody. But many students stop after saying just one sentence like, I like sleeping. In this lesson, we are going to change that. I will teach you how to speak clearly and naturally about your hobbies. We will look at vocabulary, grammar, and how to add interesting details. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to give a long, fluent answer about your life. First, let's listen to a conversation.
Hi, Sophia. You look really happy today. Do you have any special plans for the weekend?
Hey, Jason. Yes, I'm really excited. On Saturday morning, I'm going to the mountains to go hiking.
Hiking? Wow, that sounds like hard work. Do you go hiking often?
Yes, I absolutely love it. I try to go hiking once or twice a month. Usually, I go to the national park a few hours away from the city.
That is quite far. Why do you like it so much?
Well, my father got me into it when I was young. We used to walk together. I like it because it is great exercise and looking at nature is very relaxing. What about you, Jason? What do you do in your free time?
I'm not very sporty. I prefer staying at home. In my free time, I really like cooking.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. How often do you cook?
I cook dinner for my family every evening, but on Sundays, I spend hours trying new recipes. I've been learning to cook Italian food for about 6 months now.
That sounds delicious. Why do you enjoy cooking?
I enjoy it because it is creative. I like making people happy with good food, but I hate washing the dishes afterwards.
I understand that. Well, enjoy your cooking this weekend.
Thanks, Sophia. Have fun hiking.
Did you understand Jason and Sophia? They have very different hobbies. Let's look at the language they used so you can use it too. First, let's look at the activities. Some people prefer things you can do at home. For example, gardening, listening to music, or baking cakes. Other people like sports, but be careful. In English, we use 3 different verbs for sports: play, go, and do. First, we use play for team sports or games with a ball. We say playing basketball, playing volleyball, or playing board games. Second, we use go for activities that end in ing and involve moving somewhere. Sophia loves going hiking. You can also say going running, going fishing, or going dancing. Third, we use do for martial arts or indoor exercises. We say doing karate, doing gymnastics, or doing aerobics. Now let's look at how to make a full sentence. How do you start? You can use this phrase, in my free time, I like. For example, in my free time, I like playing basketball. In my free time, I like relaxing with my family. In my free time, I like reading books. Can you see a pattern here? In every sentence, after the word like, we use a verb plus ing. We don't say, I like read, we say, I like reading. But just using the word like again and again can be repetitive and boring. So what other verbs can you use? Well, you could use verbs like love, enjoy, or hate. For example, I love going hiking. I enjoy watching movies. I hate going shopping. Can you see the same pattern? After all of these verbs, you need to use the verb with ing. Finally, you can add words like really, sometimes, or absolutely to make your meaning stronger or weaker. For example, I really like taking photos. Sometimes I enjoy going running. I absolutely hate playing football. Now it's your turn to speak. What can you say? Can you make your own sentences using love, enjoy, or hate? Try it now. Okay, so now you can say what you like or don't like doing, but don't stop there. If you just say, I like tennis, the conversation stops. To speak fluent English, you must add details. Let's look at how to do that in 3 simple steps. First, let's look at how often and where you do your hobby. To talk about frequency, you can use the phrase every. For example, I play football every Tuesday evening. I read every day. Or if you don't do it often, you can use once or twice For example, I go shopping once or twice a year. I go to the cinema once a week. Then add the location. Where do you go? You might play sports at the park near your house. You might enjoy having coffee at a cafe in the city center. Or you might just read at home. See? I play football every Tuesday at the park is much better than just I like football. Next, let's look at giving background information. This is perfect if you have an interesting hobby. You can talk about when and why you started. You can use phrases like, I started playing tennis when I was 10. I've been learning to paint for 6 months now. There's also a great phrase we heard in the conversation earlier, got me into it. To get someone into something means a friend introduced the activity to you and now you like it. For example, my French friend got me into climbing. When I was younger, my dad got me into photography. What about you? Who got you into your hobby? Finally, you need to say why you enjoy it. We use adjectives for this. Use positive adjectives to explain why you do it. I like climbing because it's really exciting. I love doing yoga because it's so relaxing. I like writing stories because it's creative, and I like using my imagination. You can also use negative adjectives to talk about things you don't like. I don't like jogging because it's tiring. I hate watching TV because I find it boring. I've been trying to learn to paint, but it's too hard. Always try to give a reason. It makes your conversation much deeper and more interesting. Okay, now it is your turn to speak. Let's try using everything we have looked at today to make a longer, professional answer. We are going to put the vocabulary, grammar, details, and reasons together into one perfect structure. Look at the screen. I want you to fill in these blanks about yourself. First, listen to my example. I really like taking photos. I do it every weekend at the park. My dad got me into it. I like it because it's creative. Now, can you talk about your free time? What do you like doing? Where do you go and how often? Who got you into it and why? If you can answer these questions, you can have a great conversation in English. That is the end of the lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the JISH Learn English Podcast. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you learned something about how to talk about your free time today. Please write your full answer in the comments using the structure we just practiced. I want to read about your hobbies. I am Shaylin. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.